Woolly Mammoth, a name that echoes with the power of the Ice Age. For thousands of years, these giants roamed the frozen earth, towering wool-covered titans with sweeping tusks and thunderous footsteps. Their presence was a force of nature, shaping the icy landscapes they inhabited. The woolly mammoth first appeared hundreds of thousands of years ago during the Ice Age. It lived across Europe, North America, and Asia, surviving in some of the coldest places on Earth. Closely related to the Asian elephant, mammoths grew as tall as 13 feet and weighed up to 8 tons. Their thick fur, curved tusks, and a 4-inch layer of fat made them perfectly adapted for life in the tundra. They were not just survivors, they were kings of the cold. But like all empires, their reign was not eternal. Around 10,000 years ago, the mammoth population began to decline. As the Ice Age ended and temperatures rose, their icy world melted away. At the same time, early humans hunted mammoths for food, tools, and clothing. Most were gone, but a small group survived on a remote Arctic island until just 4,000 years ago. That means while the pyramids of Egypt were being built, mammoths were still alive. And here's where our story takes a turn. Because while mammoths once roamed the earth, today they only exist in frozen ground, preserved for thousands of years. In the Siberian permafrost, their remains have been found with remarkably well-preserved DNA. And it's this ancient genetic material that's capturing the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Today, scientists are working to bring the mammoth back using real DNA from frozen remains. With gene editing tools like CRISPR, they're trying to create a living hybrid between the mammoth and the modern elephant. It's a bold experiment, a resurrection of sorts. And while it raises ethical questions, the potential benefits are huge. Some believe mammoths could help restore grasslands and slow climate change. They could also provide a unique model for studying diseases and aging. In a way, we're bringing a piece of the past back to the present. But the woolly mammoth is more than just a scientific experiment. It's a symbol of an era long gone, a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of life. It's a story that's been told and retold in cave paintings, myths, and legends. From fossil to legend, and with the power of AI, we can now bring this extinct creature back to life, even if only for a moment. In labs around the world, scientists and geneticists are piecing together ancient DNA, using powerful algorithms and AI modeling to recreate what once roamed the Earth. But this isn't just happening in test tubes. It's happening in minds, in machines, in imagination. Picture it now. Buried deep within the side of a frozen mountain, a mammoth fossil lies dormant, sealed in ice and stone for thousands of years. Then a tremor. Stone cracks. Dust falls. Bones begin to shift and rise. The ancient skeleton pulls itself together, standing tall once more. And then, the impossible. Muscles regenerate. Skin wraps the bones. A thick coat of fur returns. The mammoth breathes. It blinks. And it walks. A creature lost to time, now brought back by the hands of science and the spark of imagination. In the end, the woolly mammoth is more than bones or code. It's a symbol of what we've lost, and what we might one day regain. Through the lens of science and the power of imagination, we're not just reviving a species, we're reconnecting with a forgotten part of ourselves. Follow us at Extinct No More.